We all know how damaging the sun can be to our skin. But how can we better protect ourselves? Introducing UVMagic, a magical makeup mirror that can show you the UV world. UVMagic shows you where your skin is still exposed to UV rays, so you know exactly where to apply your chemical sunscreen for full coverage. UVMagic ensures you leave no spots vulnerable to sun damage.
Hi, my name is Patrick Santa Ana, and I'm a makeup artist here in Los Angeles, California, and I'm obsessed with the new 2-part mirror. So the first part lights up, and you could literally adjust to see how you look if you're at a restaurant, a bar, or somewhere dark. But what I'm really obsessed about this is right here, it's a digital mirror. So when you're putting on your SPF or your sunblock and you're massaging it on, you could literally see where you're putting it, and as you're putting it on, it like darkens that area so you know what you're covering. What's also dope, and a lot of you guys don't realize this, is that when you slather on moisturizer, you're not really covering your face. So using this, you can evenly coat your face with SPF and get full sun protection. Using the mirror 10 minutes a day with one full charge can last you up to 2 weeks. The importance of removing your makeup, your sunscreen, your sunblock, everything is so crucial to your skin's health. If you aren't removing everything properly, you're gonna have all that gunk on your face still, so your skin doesn't breathe. When you use the UVMagic mirror, it can literally show you as you're removing what is coming off or what's staying on. So you can actually cleanse your skin much better for a healthier skin.